Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a DIY fridge magnet from trash. Cut a cardboard in circular shape. Wrap thread around it. Now take clay and mix it together. Keep mixing till it turns white. Now flatten the clay and with the cutters cut flowers and leaves of your choice. Let these dry. Once these have dried, color the flowers and leaves. Now let's arrange and paste them on the cutout. Yoo-hoo! Your DIY fridge magnet is now ready. Lastly, put a magnet on its back. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel.